Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Meet code. So, first, we're just going to head over to meet.google.com and also make sure that you're logged into your account. So, our goal for today is find the code that we can enter in this section. And to do that, we're just going to start a new meeting immediately. So now we're currently joined at the Google Meet meeting. And to find your Google Meet code, all you have to do is look for this small window, or you can also just look on your URL or search bar. Say, for example, in this URL, look for meet.google.com, then the letters after those are your Google Meet code. And to copy, just highlight this part of the URL, right click, then copy. So in a new tab, you can enter this here on this enter a code. We're just going to paste this and now you can proceed to join the meeting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!